Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. How do you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing fine there. Today I'm going to show you MRI kidney imaging. So I did some thinking about this. I did some thinking outside the box, and I'm finding the results really amazing, but that's at least what I'm thinking. I hope you really think the same. I will show you exactly what I did. We're going to go from images like this. Look at the B800 with noise to this. It's less noise now, and I only changed one thing. I want to show you. Stick around. For those who are new, my name is Back again. I'm an MRI radiographer. In my channel, I'm covering things from basic to advanced MRI topics, tutorials just like this one. If you haven't subscribed yet, considering doing so. And for those who've been supporting me all along and coming back, thanks a lot for that. I really appreciate that. When it comes to MRI kidney, it's not a difficult examination, right? But you have to have the patient which cooperate with you, the coils, the equipment, and all that. So I did one change on the test, which I'm going to show you, and I'm really pumped about that because it shows amazing images. The impact is so huge. So without further ado, let me show you. All right, like I mentioned, we are at 3T, and I will show you what I did. If you look at this image right here, it's the coil setup. So this is a 3T, the patient position. I'm going to show you everything. So I'm using a head neck 20 just to position the patient. And behind that, it's our Ultraflex 18 channel. That's the main point, the Ultraflex 18 channel. If you have it available, please try it out and let me know. And I'm trying to use some cushion just to lie a little bit more comfortable. You can see the setup is not that 100% very comfortable. But the reason for this is that I'm going to eliminate the spine cord. I'm not going to use the spine cord. I'm going to use the Ultraflex 18. You can see my colleague is lying right here. So I'm trying to use a strobe just to position the coil behind his back at kidney level. And then I'm going to use one more coil in the top, this body 18. The coil setup for this thing outside the box is that I'm using body 18 in combination with the Ultraflex large for the back. So the spine is not used at all. So the elements is like this. The spine elements is off, and then you have the body 18 in the front along with the Ultraflex in the back. So that in the combination will give you results like this. So you can see I'm using a DBI Sumi Pro right here, and we have B50, 800 ADC calculated, same in the lower row. But in the upper row, I'm using a body 18 in the combination with the Ultraflex large, like I show you. You can see the lower row here is more like a standard, right? You're using body 18 in combination with the spine. So looking at the first images right here, you can see the noise is much more enhanced here. Parameters are the same. Everything is the same. Nothing is changed. Just the elements are on and off, the coils. And you can see it's a huge impact on the SNR, which is very surprising. So when it comes to the T2 Dixon, when I first had in mind that it really works combination with those two spare coils, right? So I wanted to try Tubospan Echo Dixon, T2 weighted with deep result with the gain and the sharp. So you have 4 images right here in phase opposite, fat only, water only. So it's thin slices, high resolution, it's respiratory triggered. So it takes, of course, a few minutes to obtain images like this. And the next thing I had in mind was a T2 Tubospan Echo Fat Set, 2D, just standard. Combine it with the deep result, boost and sharp. So this is a breath hold, 2 times breath hold, of course. So with 3 millimeter covers the whole kidney. And there's amazing results because the coil are there, the patient position are correct. Just some thoughts I just wanted to give to you and try it out if you have the possibilities to do so. But you can see here the images are clearly working when it comes to those coils in combination, right? Well, as I said, guys, I hope you find this video valuable. Even though if it's not working at your site, your current scanner, nevertheless, you now have new thoughts towards think outside the box, try it out, and see if it works, right? So I do have a question for you before we close up. Are you going to try this if you have the possibilities to do so? If so, let me know in the comment section down below. If you like this video, do not forget to push the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get a ding ding whenever new videos of me are coming up. I will catch up with you in my next video. Stay safe. Peace out.